Good morning, friends. It's Joy with Decor Made with Joy coming to you from Franklin, Tennessee. We're going to talk about making a Mother's Day bow and how I went about choosing the colors. So I was going to make a Mother's Day wreath design, and I have this sign that was in my stash from last year. Got it from Craft Outlet. It's got some aqua blue gingham check. It's got some glitter wording, Happy Mother's Day, pink floral with some glitter trim, green leaves, light green, dark green. It's even got a little purple in here. Well, I had some ribbon. I had this aqua gingham that I think is pretty perfect to go with the trim, but of course I want to play up the pink being Mother's Day. I just kind of think about pink and Mother's Day. So here are some ribbons that I pulled. I have quite a few pink ones in stock from doing a custom order that was for a aesthetic business that was in pink. So I have this kind of diagonal stripe, and it is 2.5 inch, and I actually have 50 yards of that, and I believe I got that from Craft Outlet last year. I bet they still have it. I've got some RG, which I like working with RG. It's a nice premium ribbon. It is pink with the lace around the edges. Fancy panty is what a lot of us call it, and I think that's pretty with that pink florals. I plan to use pink ranunculus with that, so I think that's really pretty. And then I have some RG that is a Mother's Day ribbon that I got from Craft Outlet, and that looks really pretty with the pink florals, and it'll look beautiful with the ranunculus and the mini ranunculus that I plan to use. So that's how I go about picking my ribbons, is, you know, play off a sign or a floral or a look that I have in mind. And on some of the custom orders I do, the client specifies, I want a cream hydrangea, or they'll send me a picture. And it really helps custom orders if they will send you what their vision is, if they find something similar. But always explain that we can't exactly reproduce something, but we can get in the ballpark. You know, handcrafted things are one of a kind, and that's how we want them. All right, well, I hope that helped talking about how to choose your ribbon, and I will make another video of making a Mother's Day bow. Thank you.